our constitutional right under Article 29. So we cannot bargain for our rights. So Museveni, do not be intimidated by democracy. We want democracy, not tyranny. So Despot Museveni, we demand. We're not begging. It is a demand. For you. To arrest. Anita Among. To arrest. Us in Mpuuga. To arrest. Thomas Kayewa. And also. For you, Museveni. To step down. Because you have failed us. We can't feed on empty promises anymore. You cannot lie us anymore. We are sick and tired of your lies. Lies is the language of this junta of Museveni. So we are saying enough is enough. It is the right time for you to step down and rebuild our country. For everyone. Not the 1%. To the political elites in Uganda who are quiet. Corruption affects all of us. Because today as we speak, our debt burden has been ballooned to 100 trillion Ugandan shillings. This is a debt burden. We are leaving for these young people. The Gen Zs who are saying it is time to stop corruption. That's why they are marching to Parliament peacefully, non-violently, and constitutionally. So nobody is going to stop the young people from fighting for a better country, from fighting for their rights, for fighting for their parents, for fighting for the future generations. We want a better country. No tyranny, no dystopia, no impunity, no chaos. So Museveni,
the
your
dictator.
police, your army, all of you have to stop. And we say must stop. Curtailing on our rights. You cannot arrest young people. Because they are saying they are sick and tired of tyranny.
Enough is enough,
Democracy.
Yes.
So it is time for democracy to reign in Uganda. It is time for tyranny to end in Uganda. It is time for the dynasty to be dismantled and rebuild a better country. So comrades who are standing here today, it shows solidarity. That you care about our country.
That's right.
You care about all the voices of the young people who are speaking up back home. And they've been abused by this junta of Museveni. We shall not keep silent. Because we are in America. The land of the free and the home of the brave. So we shall also emulate what America has built. We take it back to our country and build a better country for everyone, not for a few who are abusing our rights. The policemen abusing the rights of Ugandans. We are going to hold you accountable as individuals. So take that note. The army or the soldiers who are abusing our young folks. We are going to profile you. We shall forward your names to the ICC, to the State Department. They sanction you. They arrest you. They charge you for the flagrant violation of human rights. It is time for all Ugandans, regardless of our political affiliations, our religious affiliations, our tribes, our economic class, we decide to unite and fight for a better country. Because Uganda is for all of us, not for the 1%. So Museveni,
the dictator,
you can no longer intimidate us. Fear will not control us. We want freedom. We want justice. We want liberty. We want equality. Not autocracy. Enough is enough.
Enough is enough.
Museveni,
the dictator.
and that one dynasty. The time has come. We are saying, you must go.
You must go. Museveni must go.
You must release them.
Museveni.
Free all the anti-corruption protesters.
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 Free reign Maulana.
Free reign Maulana.
Free Melvin.
Free Melvin.
Free Kennedy.
Free Kennedy.
Free Dumba.
Free Dumba.
Free Aten.
Free Aten.
Free Victor Otieno.
Free
Free Praise.
Free Praise.
Free Thomas.
Free Thomas.
Free Aten.
Free Aten.
Free Victor.
Free Victor.
Free Bruno.
Free Bruno.
Free Bo.
Free Bo.
Free Nana Africa.
Free Nana Mafika.
Free Namutiaba Slivia.
Free Namutiaba Slivia.
Free Gloria
Free
Nabia.
Gloria.
Free all the political prisoners.
Free all the political prisoners.
Free Olivia Taya.
Free Grace.
Free Grace.
Free Salim. Free Kagoda.
Free Kagoda.
And everyone. Prisoners of conscience. They should be out of jail.
They should be out of jail.
And we arrest the real criminals.
And we arrest the real criminals.
Who are stealing from us. Who are abusing our rights. And who are denying us a chance to enjoy the liberty our parents, our brothers, our sisters deserve. So thank you, everyone. People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
Ra.
Ra. Ra. Ra.
Ah.
Ja.